Namaskar, everybody. So, this is a beautiful early morning white light energy transfer. It's a timeless energy transfer for your inner and outer beauty. Just be in the receptivity of this beautiful healing energy and trust the process. This will enhance your physical beauty and also your spiritual beauty. You will start to see beauty around after receiving this beautiful energy transfer. I want you to open up your hands in front of you to receive this beautiful energy transfer. Energy transfer is now completed. You can rub your both palms, put it on your eyes, and say thank you to the universe for creating this beautiful moment to you. You can choose to do this meditation. You can choose to take this beautiful energy transfer whenever you see ugliness in the world, whenever you see lack of beauty around. Come back to this. Take this beautiful, timeless energy transfer and awaken your inner beauty. Thank you, and share this video with somebody that you love.